What happened today at your school? I want to see that you are all ears in the class. You're learning good or not?
So the first period was science. In science we learned about matter, the solid, liquid, gas, means what is solid and what are the specialties of solid and the specialties of liquid and gas. All these things we differentiated that. The solid is just like solid has a definite shape, solid has a definite volume, and solid has mass. Anything which contains mass or occupies space is matter. If you go into liquid, liquid does not have a definite shape. It takes shape of the container. So its volume is also not definite. It will take the volume as much as it wants.
Give us some examples of liquid matter.
Okay, then the first example is water, soft drinks, canned juices, and other things are liquids. Well then, let's see about, if we see about gas, gas also takes shape of the container and it does not have a definite volume as well. It is proved by science, like if we just do like this. If you get a container and put it on the floor, whatever happens, because gases are all around us, some type of gas will be trapped in the box. So if the box is a square shape, the gas hole will be square. And if it is circle, then the gas will be circle. That means it takes shape of the container.
Okay.
So now the second period was maths and third period was also maths. In maths we learned about, let me think what we learned about. Yeah, we learned about factors and multiples.
Okay. So tell about what are the factors and multiples.
Okay, you say multiples are a part of a number. You see if the number is 16, then the 16 is multiple. No, there's 2. Then the 2's multiple will be 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12. All the way to 20 will be its multiples. And the factors are like this. There's a number given, 36. Okay, now tell us the numbers which go on this number. And those are the factors. Which tables to go on 36? The 1's table, the 2's table, and which one? The 3's table? Yes. 3's table, 4's table, not 5's table.
And 6's
table.
Okay, go on.
Okay.
Go.
So in the both
Skip
period,
to the next.
in the both period we did this, and there was break, and there's nothing to tell you.
What
about
happened
break.
in the break?
We eat food.
What was the food?
Just like we did a party.
Okay.
Okay, so we had 250 rupees.
Okay.
Sorry, 400 rupees.
So
All together.
what was your share?
100.
100 was your share, and
We were four
how many were in your big party? Members, 4 members. Okay.
All brought 100.
Who was the host?
No one was the host because
No.
everyone brought 100.
All were invited.
No,
like-
only 4 people.
Like it is the American system, you shared each equal
4.
or whatever was.
And you see, the biggest threat is because they say me, you have to go to the canteen to buy things.
Okay.
Now you see, there are up to 200 to 300 people in the line in the canteen.
Okay.
And they are giving just like someone
Pushes.
really strong and pushing down. And I'm so strong that I go inside and then catch it by its, grill. And then I catch it and whoever pushes me, he will get down, but I will never get down because I took the grill.
Okay.
And then for waiting for 10 minutes.
So you took such a big
No,
job.
the order was no. Yeah, that was such
And all the rest of the boys are so smart enough to just put you in this circle.
there are days. If you are doing the party, I am the last number. Means we do 4 parties a week.
Well, rotation.
Sorry, we do 4 parties a month. So if the first party's thing is given to Shahanshah,
Okay.
means he has to go to the canteen.
And everybody has to take the chance on
Yeah,
rotation.
And mine is last, and today was
Your turn.
today was my turn.
Okay, what happened after the break?
After the break, it was which period? SST period.
Okay.
And we learned about Pakistan and how Pakistan has industries, cotton industries, cement industries, and that charcoal, mines coal, and other things. All these. Yes, it was Urdu.
What happened in Urdu? Tell me.
Yeah, it was Urdu, and teacher gave us a task of doing. I don't remember it, but I think it was Sawalat and Jawabat.
Okay, what were these?
I have no detail about it because I'm not sure at all.
Who was the teacher?
Huh? Teacher Asma Madam.
she
So I have no detail at all.
No.
So after 2 periods of Urdu, there was 2 periods of English.
Would
There
have
was
told
2
me.
English periods.
Okay.
That was fun. And teacher said, it's time to learn some more English. She said, today now we are going to do the question answers of Akbar and Birbal.
Okay.
Everyone was happy, but after the first question, the light went. Teacher wrote 4 questions. I just completed them easily.
Ah.
But the light didn't come back for an hour.
So what happened?
And we were like sitting in the dark and in the hot weather, and some people who weren't done, they were like, their all copies were like dripping with water. Mine was also first dripping with water because I'm a really fast writer at school. So I'm really fast and my hand hurts a lot and it sweats and my copy is wet. Sweats, wet.
Okay.
Yeah, this was the thing and we were just like out of the class and sitting there on the tiles, looking at each other. And you see, I was having cold water in my water bottle, so I said, Sharisha, come into the washroom. And there was a sink, so in our boys' washroom there is no water.
I see.
You can't wash your hands.
It was consumed already.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
go on. What did
I
you
just
do?
took the cold water and poured it all over my head and Sharisha's. Means I kept the sink
It
like
was not
this.
too hot today, man. Why were you doing this?
It was too just like hot.
No.
We were like sweating and sweating and sweating.
It's strange enough to see when you say all this.
Yeah. After that, it was.
What?
So this was the last period,
Okay.
and then it was time for shooting,
Shooting.
and time for me to go to shooting. Bye bye.